Today's video is going to be basically something I have never done before. Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Piannolie if you're new here. Today's video is how to run a successful fan page on TikTok. Lovely. Okay, you guys. This was extremely highly requested by a ton of you who watched this video. And there was a lot of complaints saying, why are your videos so short? Make them long. Today is going to be a long upload. Yay.
Get some help.
Okay, so yes, I'm going to be creating another account for the purpose of this video. Before we get on with today's video, I just want to explain what apps you will need because I know a lot of people ask me these questions, even from Spicy Charlie. Speaking of Spicy Charlie, oh my god. Okay, I know the lighting is so bad and I wish I could change that, but I just have to say this. Okay, I just posted on Spicy Charlie, okay, it was an hour ago, I don't care. Freaking wag, or whatever how you say that, commented on the video. Today, I'll be using picsart, vont, fonts, and colortone. So first of all, when starting out a fan page, you need to come up with a good name. You do not want to use bunny fat unicorns 127 underscore 23. Okay, I don't even know where that came from. But create a name that is searchable, I guess, something that is short, unique, and nice. If you do not know this, when I created the Spicy Charlie account, I actually had some inspiration behind that. At the time, if you guys remember, I was actually drinking a Dr. Pepper, and when I was trying to think of a good name, I thought Dr. Pepper, Spicy Charlie. There you go. So I'm looking at my room because a lot of it's Christmas decorations that I still need to put up. Candle. I just found this candle like lying around. What's the flavor? Frosted cranberries. Frosted Charlie. Let's do it. Yeah. All right. Frosted Charlie. I'm gonna spell it with 2 I's at the end. There we go. Okay, now that you have your account and you have your beautiful username, I'm just gonna use the exact same photo that I used for Spicy Charlie. Okay, so this is the photo. I love it. I love it. I don't know. I just love the contrast of colors in the background with like the blues. If you guys go onto Google and just search up Charlie selfie or Avani selfie or Addy selfie, whoever you're doing, Piannolie selfie, just kidding, that's not gonna pop up anywhere. It's free. Okay, you guys, so now you're going to make a bio. A lot of fan pages will use the app called Fonts, and they'll use typewriter, small caps, and sans. My personal favorite is sans. I also would choose like a nice color scheme. I have become obsessed with these two emojis, the white emoji and the leaf emoji, or the white heart emoji and the leaf emoji. First of all, we're gonna go ahead and follow the person we're doing the fan page of, which is Charlie D'Amelio. What the heck? Who is that? That is not Charlie D'Amelio. Okay, here we go. Go ahead and follow, and we're going to, oh, she posted 2 hours ago. I just comment something. I'm new to the fandom. I know everyone does this, but we can get some clap from here. Okay, next thing what you guys are gonna want to do is you're going to download one of their videos. Let's go to like her old posts. Okay, let me get like some non-dusty musty quality footage. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and download that. If you're like completely new, you don't know how to do that, just go here and click save video. All right, now this is where colortone comes in. When you guys open up the app, you're going to go click video and import the footage, and then click import. From there, click the footage, edit, and then, so there's plenty of filters here. The ones I actually really love are taken, but there is plenty of like options here if you guys, oh goodness, that is not a good option to go with. I'm going to go ahead and use the same one I used before, and we're going to go to export. It's going to take a second. I am running out of storage because of my last Charlie fan page. I need to delete some of the content because it is blowing up my phone, and yeah, okay. They're going to click export. Okay, so something that always ends up blowing up is whenever you use that thing saying like, this is my perfect TikTok or whatever. I see those literally everywhere. So if people can blow up because of it, so can we. So I'm going to actually go to notes on my phone. We're going to create a new one, and I'm going to say my perfect TikTok, and then basically just list a bunch of things that you want. Okay, after you're done, go ahead and screenshot that, and you can work with that later. So then this is where the app Picsart is actually going to come in. So open up that app. Actually, when you open up the app, it's gonna have this, and you're gonna click that purple plus, and then go to your videos, or the second thing should be videos. Click the footage. Lovely. All right, you guys are going to scroll to on the bottom to add photo, and then go ahead and add that footage. And basically you guys can make it big, and you guys can crop it. Now, a lot of editors will never reveal the secret because they're like, I want to get the clout all by myself. I do not want to share it with anybody, but oh, no, you cannot die on me right now. Look at that. It's literally about to die.
3 hours later.
Hi. After a bunch of technical difficulties, I am back after about 2 hours, 4 hours, something like that. I lost track of time and accomplished nothing. Okay, so then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna go into Vont. So we're gonna go into Vont, click that thingy at the bottom, and then click load new video. Okay guys, don't mind them, they're not gonna be quiet, they're playing Roblox, so of course they have to be loud. Okay, then you're gonna click the video, use original video. So Frosted Charlie, and just decorate it a little bit. All right, then from here, you're gonna click export and save video. Okay, you guys, now you're going to open up TikTok, and it's nice. Okay, I tried to like stay away from the whole entire oh my god, it says no leave, no buy, no. That is so mean. Woo! Okay, I'm, to be honest, so shook, it's not even funny. Okay, you're going to add the plus, upload, cut out the ending, do yourself a favor, it looks very professional, and we're gonna cut off the credits. I cannot believe people have the audacity to tell me no. That's so rude. Okay, now what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna describe your video. So I'm gonna use the font. I hope it happens.
Morning, Mr. Buttcrack.
Mr. Buttcrack, what the heck? And then use some hashtags. Woo! Interact with the people who follow you or like your video or comment. What is this? I am your eco-friendly comment. Nice. Why am I being so serious today? Follow a bunch of people, like fan pages. It works, but to be honest, do I recommend it? No. Why do I not recommend it? I do not recommend it because to be honest, if I'm being completely honest with you, these people are never gonna be active. Only a few of them will be, and it's just gonna be really sad for you to follow a bunch of people and have a really bad proportion in it. It's so bad. Okay, so just interact with people who follow you and stuff, and just be a nice person. You know, if you're nice, you'll get attention, don't worry. Okay, so bringing us into tip number 3. Okay, tip number 3 is to be patient. There's very few fan pages that blow up overnight. It is possible, but just be patient. Unfortunately, not every single fan page is gonna blow up overnight. Just keep grinding. Ooh, this girl's famous. I see, now we're gaining followers a little bit faster. Where's the rad emoji? I have never used this emoji, I just know it exists. There we go. Single for life, bro. All right, I'm done engaging for now. It is 9 p.m. now. You can't see. Okay. Sleep well. Just kidding. It's the morning. Good night. What the heck?
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.